Hey there, Atiqur Rahman here. In this video today I am going to show you Inflate 3D balloon effect using Adobe Illustrator. And most important thing is you don't need to have any knowledge about 3D designing. I am going to cover all you need to know to convert any text or any shape into a very realistic 3D object like this. So let's get straight into it. I am going to just start with a new artboard 500 by 300 pixels. Remember here, this is going to be a heavy task for your computer. So always try with smaller size artboard. Okay, I am going to write the word love here. You can go with any word or any text or any shape. For the sake of this video, I will draw a simple heart shape, and underneath the heart shape, I will place the word love. I will go with rounds black font, R-O-U-N-D, rounds black, this font. I will go with this font here. It is a free font. You can go with any other fonts. Remember, try to select a bold or heavy type font so that the 3D effects will visible easily. Now I will draw a heart shape. For this, I draw a rectangle randomly and let's rotate it 45 degree. Select this rectangle, press shift and drag it 45 degree. Okay, and I will make a duplicate copy of it. So I select the reflect tool. Okay, copy, and I will make the top corners rounded to make it a heart shape. Okay, rounded, almost done. Select the two, delete this part and merge them. Okay, our heart is done. I will place it center middle of the artboard. Make it bigger to something like 125 pixels, and let me switch the color to stroke, increase it, change it to inside of the artboard. Okay, let's increase 25 is okay, and I will simply rounded this part something like to 20. Okay, 20 looks good. Let's select a color. I will try something close to pink color. Okay, and I will apply same color for the heart shape. So just copy this color and place here for heart shape. Okay, you can go with any other color. One thing you need to know here, you can outline the text and then go to 3D, or you can make it 3D without making outline. I prefer to go with not making shape because it will give you the flexibility to change the letters from this word easily. Okay, now I am going to show you the magic of 3D. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials and Inflate. Under the Object tab, you can find many options to control your 3D object. Don't miss out to play around all of them and find your best position where it works best for you. I will set it to 20. You can change it as you need. You can play around with different values and see which one is best for you. I am going to leave all other things as they are now. Don't miss out to play around all these things. You can apply twist. For this design, I will leave all other the same. Let's jump into the rotation. You can see a drop down here. You can see many options: top, bottom, back, and many things here. I will go with front. I will not change. For this video, I will go with 20 pixel and front rotation. Let's go to the next tab, and it is material. Under the material tab, you can see two different menu here. One is materials and one is graphics. You can find some images and graphics here to add to your 3D object. I will not use them. I will go with materials, and here materials you can find many options. For today's video, I will use the default options. I will not use any of them. These are text art 3D object. You can play around with them. I will go with the basic one. Let me know in the comment if you want to learn more about texturized 3D designs. I will make a dedicated video on this. And under the properties menu, you can play around with roughness and metallic. The roughness and metallic option result with shininess of this 3D object. The higher metallic value, the higher shininess. If you increase it, the shininess will increase. If you decrease the roughness, the shininess will increase. See the magic here. I will go for this video 35 for roughness and 0.15 the shininess. Okay, and the next one is lighting. Under the lighting tab, you can find here some presets: standard, diffuse, top left and right. You can play around with them and see the result. Standard, diffuse, top left, top right. You can go with any of them. I will select the custom value. I will select the intensity to 55. Remember here, more intensity is result with more brightness of this image. So I will go with 55%. You can play with the rotation. It will change the direction of the light and shadow. I will go with minus 145 for this, minus 145. And height, I will set the height to 50 degree, and softness refer to the shadow softening. The more the value, the more soft the shadow. I will go with 70. And this intensity under ambient light, it is the secondary light. This one is primary light and this one is secondary light. I will go with same value, 55. One thing I miss out here, you can change the color here, and this colors refers to the lighting color of this 3D object. If you leave it to white, it's okay. I will change it to little bit pink. Okay, you can see the result here. And now the most live thing of any 3D object, the shadow. Okay, you can leave it as it is now without shadow. I will turn the shadow on, and under the shadow you can find two options: behind the object, below the object. I will go with behind the object, and I don't change the distance of the shadow from the object. I will keep it 0. You can play around with it, you can see the result. Okay, I will keep it 0. And now shadow bounds. Shadow bounds is the boundary of shadow. You can see some parts of shadow are out of the margin, it cannot visible. I will increase it something to 120. Okay, 120, and our full shadow is visible here. And lastly, the magic button here. Just click the render button and see the magic. It will take some time, so you can see here is the result. Very realistic, very easy to make, and a live 3D balloon text. Let's do the same for this heart shape, and I will fast forward this process. Okay, here is the heart shape and both is in 3D. Let's place a background with this to make it more live. I will change the color to something. Okay, let's place it to the back. Okay, lastly, here is the result. You can see how easy it is, how live, how realistic. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.